Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 173. AMD software installer cannot proceed as no AMD graphics hardware has been detected in your system. So here a possible cause based on AMD's official website. The AMD software installer has detected that current system does not contain AMD graphic hardware and terminated the installation. So make sure your graphic card is correctly installed and recognized by the operating system. You can check on a device manager, for example. Here, make sure your display adapter is your graphic card, your AMD, and refer to the product user manual for installation requirement and procedures. And also check Windows Device Manager for possible conflict. Problem devices should be indicated with the yellow bang icon. And of course, if you both the used GPU used to mining, so you don't use adrenaline driver for in this case. So you can search from other sources that provide you a mining driver for your GPU series. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.